Buying a car isn't just about the looks, horsepower, or the latest gadgets. It's about peace of mind. Nobody wants to throw hard-earned money at a vehicle that spends more time in the repair shop than on the road. According to Consumer Reports and other trusted auto sources, some cars and brands consistently rank at the bottom when it comes to reliability, repair costs, and long-term satisfaction. In this video, I'll walk you through the 10 worst cars and brands you should avoid in 2025, and I'll back it up with facts. Reliability scores, recall histories, and ownership costs. Stick around to the end because I'll also share what you should look for instead. Let's get started. At number 10 is Ford. With a reliability score of just 44 out of 100, Ford struggles, especially with its newer hybrid and tech-loaded models. Consumer Reports notes frequent issues with transmission systems and infotainment glitches. While the F-150 remains a popular truck, models like the Escape Hybrid and Explorer have higher than average repair rates. For many owners, repair costs pile up quickly, making it a risky bet if you're aiming for low-maintenance ownership. At number 9 is Genesis, Hyundai's luxury spinoff. Stylish? Yes. Tech-packed? Absolutely. But that technology comes with a price: reliability. With a score of 40 out of 100, Genesis vehicles like the G80 and GV80 face frequent electronic and mechanical complaints. Luxury buyers expect durability, but many owners report repeated visits to dealerships for software bugs and suspension issues. Unless you're ready for a lot of warranty trips, Genesis might not be the safest pick. Number 8 goes to Volvo, with a 38 out of 100 reliability score. Despite its reputation for safety, reliability is a weak spot. Models like the XC60 and XC90 are plagued by electrical and transmission problems. Add to that expensive European repair costs, and owning a Volvo can drain your wallet faster than you'd expect. Yes, they're elegant and safe, but maintenance nightmares push Volvo into this list. At number 7, we have Chevrolet, scoring 37 out of 100. While the Silverado sells in massive numbers, Consumer Reports repeatedly flags the brand for reliability issues. The Cruze in particular has a terrible history: serious recalls for steering wheels detaching and even engine fire risks. Add in electrical gremlins in newer SUVs like the Traverse, and it's easy to see why Chevy is one of the brands to avoid if long-term reliability is your priority. At number 6, it's Tesla, with a reliability score of 36 out of 100. Owners love the futuristic tech and acceleration, but Consumer Reports consistently list Tesla among the least reliable brands. The Cybertruck alone racked up 6 recalls in 2024, including steering issues. From misaligned body panels to failing electronics, Tesla models often frustrate owners despite their popularity. High satisfaction scores can't hide the reality of frequent breakdowns. Number 5 is Volkswagen, scoring just 34 out of 100. VW has a mixed reputation. Iconic models like the Golf earn fan loyalty, but Consumer Reports highlights persistent engine and electronics troubles. European parts also make repairs expensive in many markets. What seems like a budget-friendly entry into German engineering often turns into years of costly maintenance. Number 4 is Jeep, with a reliability score of 33 out of 100. Sure, the Wrangler looks rugged and adventurous, but Consumer Reports shows Jeep as one of the worst for reliability. Repair costs average nearly $6,500 over 10 years, according to Go Banking Rates. Common failures include suspension issues, leaky roofs, and electronic malfunctions. If you plan to take a Jeep off-road, remember, you may end up back on the mechanic's lift just as often. Number 3 is GMC, another General Motors brand, with a score of 33 out of 100. GMC markets itself as professional grade, but behind the badge, it shares the same issues as Chevrolet: frequent recalls, weak transmissions, and costly repairs. Models like the Sierra and Acadia don't live up to their rugged marketing image when reliability is considered. Runner-up for the worst is Cadillac, scoring only 27 out of 100. For a luxury brand, that's shockingly low. Consumer Reports and Go Banking Rates show average 10-year repair costs near $6,875, higher than many luxury competitors. Models like the XT5 and even the all-electric Lyric suffer from reliability complaints, leaving owners disappointed after paying premium prices. Number 10, according to Consumer Reports, is Rivian, with a rock-bottom reliability score of 18 out of 100. Rivian makes exciting electric trucks and SUVs like the R1T and R1S, but owners face frustrating mechanical and electronic issues. From faulty sensors to problems with the battery system, Rivians simply aren't dependable yet. Combine that with SK high prices, and you've got one of the riskiest automotive purchases today. Subscribe for more car insights. Thanks for watching.